Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konashenkov, tanggal 15 Agustus merilis senjata presisi tinggi Angkatan Udara Rusia mengenai markas sementara tentara bayaran asing Ukraina di dekat Zolochev, wilayah Kharkov. Lebih dari 100 militan dari Polandia serta Jerman dieliminir dan lebih dari 50 terluka, kata Igor Konashenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Penerbangan operasional taktis dan tentara, pasukan rudal dan serangan artileri Rusia terus berlanjut terhadap fasilitas militer di Ukraina. Pos Komando Brigadi Pertahanan Teritorial ke-112 dekat Artemovsk, Brigade Infanteri ke-60 dekat Osokorovka di wilayah Kherson, serta personel, senjata, dan peralatan militer, termasuk Batalion Nasionalis, di Mereva di wilayah Kharkov, Konstantinovka di Republik Rakyat Donetsk, Nikolaev dan Velikomikhailovka di wilayah Dnepropetrovsk jadi sasaran. Secara total, 267 pesawat Ukraina dan 148 helikopter, 1.741 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 365 sistem rudal anti-pesawat dieliminir sejak awal operasi. Juga 4.311 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 799 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 3.304 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 4.891 unit militer khusus dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor Konashenkov. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis 200 tentara Rusia dieliminir dalam sehari terakhir. Total 43.7500 prajurit Federasi Rusia tewas sejak awal konflik hingga hari ke-173. Menteri Pertahanan Ukraina Oleksiy Reznikov mempublikasikan kedatangan roket jarak menengah M270 dari Inggris. Terima kasih seluruh rakyat Inggris, senjata ini akan membantu mengusir penjajah, kata Reznikov. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky terus menggalang dukungan solidaritas internasional untuk bersatu menghukum Rusia atas perangnya di Ukraina.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. Russian aerospace forces' precision weapons have hit a temporary deployment point of foreign mercenaries near Zolochev in Kharkov region. Over 100 militants from Poland as well as Germany have been killed and over 50 wounded. High-precision air-based missiles have disabled two traction power substations near Apostolovo and Sinelnikovo railway stations in Dnepropetrovsk region. As a result of strike of the Russian aerospace forces on combat positions of the 63rd Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Belogorka and Lazovoye in Kherson region, the 105th and 107th battalions of this brigade suffered losses of over 160 nationalists. Artillery strike of the Russian troops near Marvinka in Donetsk People's Republic has eliminated over 70% of the 3rd Battalion's personnel from the 66th Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces. High-precision weapon strikes of the Russian aerospace forces against combat positions of the 53rd Mechanized and the 68th Infantry Engineering Brigades of Ukrainian Armed Forces have destroyed more than 260 nationalists near Ugledar, Vodinoye and Dobrovolye in Donetsk People's Republic. In Soledar direction, more than 50% of personnel and military equipment of the 15th Battalion of the 58th Motorized Infantry Brigade have been eliminated as a result of offensive actions and fire on combat positions. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. Command posts of the 112th Territorial Defense Brigade near Artyomovsk, the 60th Infantry Brigade near Osokorovka in Kherson region, as well as personnel, weapons and military equipment, including those of nationalist battalions in Mereva in Kharkov region, Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Nikolaev and Velikomikhailovka in Dnepropetrovsk region have been hit. Missile and artillery weapons depot near Zaychevskoye in Nikolaev region, 3 ammunition depots near Kramatorsk and Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic, and 2 fuel depots for military equipment near Chuguyev and Kovyagi in Kharkov region. As part of counter-battery warfare, one platoon of Ukrainian Stabby artillery mounts has been hit near Mayorsk of Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 3 platoons of Grad multiple launch rocket systems near Zvanovka, Solidar and Zaitsevo, and 4 platoons of Gyatsint B artillery mounts, and 3 platoons of D-30 howitzers at firing positions near Seversk, Artyomovsk, Panteleimonovka, Georgievka, Novoselka, Krestyshe in Donetsk People's Republic, and Nova Alexandrovka in Kherson region have been suppressed. Russian air defense means have shot down 3 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Mar'yinka of Donetsk People's Republic, Chervonoye in Kherson region, and Udi of Kharkov region. In addition, 2 shells for multiple rocket launchers have been intercepted near Novotroitskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 267 Ukrainian airplanes and 148 helicopters, 1,741 unmanned aerial vehicles, 365 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,311 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 799 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,304 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,891 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.